Hi, and welcome back to Alley Tech. On this video, I'll be showing you how to start your own meeting on your calendar. So first, you want to go onto the Calendar tab. This will take you to the calendar. This is, like I said in the first overview video, this is where all your class meetings are going to come through. We're going to see what time they're at, what class they are, how long they are, stuff like that. So that would be a meeting the teacher creates, but this time you can create the meeting. So up here in the top corner, you can click New Meeting. This is where you can create a meeting. Say if you wanted to create some sort of group of your friends or any people you're in the same class with, and you want to do homework together, and you want to just be on the same call together and nobody else. This is where you can start one of those. So you're gonna add a title to your meeting. So say we did math help. We'll just do something simple right there. And then now you want to add your required attendees. So these are anybody you're adding in to join the meeting with you. When you do this, this meeting is going to show up on their calendar as well, so they know to join in. So what you want to do is add anybody you want to do a meeting with. So I'll just add somebody. And you can add as many people as you want. You can make the meeting as big as you want. Then now after that, once you have that set up, you want to create a day it's going to happen, a time, and so like a time frame. So when you want it to start, an approximate of when it's going to end. You can make it an all-day meeting and just have them join whenever, but really just keep it simple and just do a time frame and what day you're going to do it on. You can actually create it to repeat as well. So you can do an everyday meeting. You can make it a daily meeting, weekly, monthly. Usually teachers sometimes will create either like a daily or weekly, just so it's on a scheduled time, what time you need to be in a meeting at. You can add a channel. So adding a channel is pretty much just adding a class, just to usually the teachers, that's more the teachers area where they would put that in. So for you, it's for just creating a basic meeting for yourself. It would just be anybody you want to attend the meeting. And then location, you don't have to worry about, just say where it's located or like what it's based off of. And then down here, you can type in details. So down here, you can type in something just to let the person know what the meeting is going to be about or just why you're creating it. Sometimes, so you could just say, help working on my math work, just to give them a simple, this is just for us to work on it together type scenario. You have all these like different things you can do if you want to like be more detailed on how you're sending them the message type thing. If you want to make it bold, underlined, all different things like that. So then after that, once that's all filled out, you can go up here and you can hit send. Once you hit send, like so, it'll appear on your calendar. The only reason mine says join right here is because I scheduled it to happen right about now. So now that it's on my calendar, I can click join. I can join the meeting. The other person's on their calendar as well, whoever I sent it to, so they can join the meeting as well. And then that's how you pretty much start a meeting yourself. So I can click the join button now. This is pretty much just how you join any meeting. This video is for if you create your own meeting, but this is how it would be set up if you had a class meeting. So if that class is shown and how long it's going to be, you can click the join button here, and that's exactly the same way how you join a class meeting. I'll show another video of how to join a specific one that you didn't start yourself. But technically, you just click join here. You can allow your microphone and camera, and you'll just go right into it on how and join the meeting with your friends. So now I'm in the meeting. I'll click this button, join now. You can turn on your camera, your microphone, stuff like that. But I'm just going to get out of that for now. But that's pretty much just how you start the meeting. Whatever it shows there, everybody else you invited to that meeting is also going to have it on their calendar as well. So all you do is click that join button, join now, and you're all set to go. Check out some other videos, some other smaller tips on other tips and tricks throughout the application. Thank you for watching.